Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Instagram content removed. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and then now scroll down to the apps and now go to the search and search on Instagram. Then go to the storage. Okay, here you will find this clear cache. So maybe uh, click on it and go check it if it works. If it didn't work, can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you want to clear data you will lose all your stuff, all your data. So that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.